We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Well, there are two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, it is generally said as massif, massif, with a bit of a stress on the first syllable, massif. Now, in American English, it is usually pronounced the other way around, with a stress on the second syllable, massif, massif, and that's because the word is from French, and in French it's said as massif, massif, so no stress on any particular syllable in French, so you can say it two ways really. The two pronunciations are correct, massif or massif. And now you know. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.